The UK is one of the most nature-depleted countries in the world. But today we come together to celebrate how the mineral products industry is making a difference, contributing to national and local targets and playing a unique role in long-term nature recovery and conservation. 83 square kilometres, an area bigger than Nottingham, already handed back, with a further 110 square kilometres in the pipeline. No other industry comes close to being able to deliver this. This is a showcase of innovation and dedication, and it's a powerful demonstration of how quarry restoration and biodiversity projects are shaping a greener future. With over 30 outstanding entries from across the UK, we'll recognise excellence in innovation, planned restoration, individual contribution, landscape scale projects, and we proudly present the prestigious Cooper Hayman Cup, awarded to the most outstanding restoration project. From wetlands and grasslands to ponds and pools, from woodland and reed beds to cliff tops and crevices. Let's celebrate and share the unique contribution that the mineral products industry and its partners are making to restoration and biodiversity. This is Quarries Nature 2025.